Hello, friends. It's time for spelling on the 25th, which is Thursday of February. And today we're doing page 79. So let me pull that up for you. And this is right up our alley today. This is something you are so good at. I can't wait to share it with you. It's pretty nice here. I hope it's nice where you are. It's still Wednesday, so maybe Wednesday is nice and Thursday not so much, or I don't know, maybe you get nice both days. I think the weather forecast said nice both days, so I hope you're enjoying it. I've opened the windows to let a little bit of the warmer air in, so you might hear the roosters if you listen closely. So here we are, page 79. Circle that for you. Yep. 79. And if we come up here, we're going to need to put our name. There's a rooster. Did you hear him? And if we look at the directions and read that together, it says, write the base word. Base word. Base word is very, very easy to find. Remember, we always talk about looking for the little word in the big word. That's right. Well, base words are the little word in the big word. Now, they're not the only little word in a big word, but they are a little word inside of a big word that you can find. Now, base words can have beginnings on them and extra beginnings and extra endings. Let's look at the word happy. Happy. Happy is a base word. If I am not happy, what am I called? Unhappy. Okay. Unhappy. This part, if I add something on the beginning of the word, that's called a prefix. Prefix. And you will see these more later. Prefix. Now, if I am in the state of being unhappy, you could say I am suffering from unhappiness. Ness is an ending that goes on the word, ending that goes on a base word. And it goes right over here on the end, and it is called a suffix. But before I do that, I need to show you something here. Sometimes when you add endings and beginnings, you have to change your spelling. And we'll talk about that later too. So pay attention. This is the first time you're hearing this. I've written the word for the suffix ness. Okay, my base word is still happy, but I've added a prefix, and if you add it to the end, it's called the suffix. Now, you don't have to write that down. You don't have to study that right now, but I want this to be the first time you've heard it because you're going to hear it again, okay? So in today's work, we are looking for the base word, the little word inside the big word. We're taking the suffixes off and finding the word that's left. Okay. Number one, I have the word planned. What spelling word? And remember, if you need to find your spelling word, where are they? They're right on the back. There they are. What word in my spelling list is a little word inside this word? Plan. Plan is the base word. P-L-A-N. And I liked where we did odds and evens today in math. So I'm going to kind of carry that on. I'm going to do 1, and we'll do 3 together, and we'll do 5 together, and we'll do 7 together. You know what? Switch that. I'm only going to do these 3 with you, and I'll let you do the rest. How's that? So let's find that the next word that we're looking at is hummed. Hummed. What is the little base word inside the word hummed? See it right there. It's in my spelling list. H-U-M. Okay, very good. Now I'm looking at this word, clapped. What is the base word inside the word clapped? Right there. Clap. C-L-A. All right. Now let's go to number 6. I'm going to help you with number 6. The word is tagging. And I'm looking for my base word in the word tagging. And if I look down, I can see right in here that it is the word tag. See it right there? Tag. That's the word that I need you to put right up there. Okay. Number 7 is petted. Petted. What is the base word in there? Pet. Can you figure out how to spell that? It's right in there. P-E-T. But if you need help, here it is. Right. All right. And number 8 says, oh, I've kind of gone out of order, haven't I? Oh, well, that's okay. Number 8 is the word grinning. Grinning. What is the base word for grinning? That is grin. I want you to find grin in your spelling list. I'm not going to tell you where it is because I think you can find it and write it right here. Okay? So I'm giving you all of these. And then just to make it a little bit more independent, I'm going to have you do these 2 right here. And I will read the words and I'll let you find the base word. Number 2 says sinning. Sinning. What is the base word for sinning? And number 4 is stepping. What is the base word for stepping? Goes right in here. Number 9 says, write a spelling word to answer each question. Number 9 says, what word means at all times? And that was way up on our list here. See it on our memory words? Means all times. Always is the word that goes in there. So I'll help you with that one. We'll put always in here. And what is something you can hear This is one of our review words. Your choices are crown or sound. What goes in here is something you can hear. Can you hear a crown or can you hear a sound? You can hear a sound. That's the word that goes in here. Sound. And where do you find out how to spell it? Simple. You look back on your list and there it is. Next one says, what is a big smile? Well, a big smile is a grin. I'll give you some training wheels on this one. I'll give you a G and an R, and I will have you fill in this letter and this letter. Okay, you'll have to find the word grin up in your list. It's right down there. There you go. Next one says, what does a king wear on his head? Easy peasy. King wears one of these on his head. Which one is it? You decide and put it right in here. What is something that breaks God's law? Sin is something that breaks God's law. Give you that one. And the last one is, what is an animal that lives with a family? Ooh, I don't even remember what that one was. An animal that lives with a family. Oh, easy peasy. These right here. All of these are what? An animal that lives with a family. There you have it. Finish that up. Great job today. I will see you for social studies. Bye-bye.